look, everything is all over here. Okay, everything is all over here. So we're gonna remove this stuff out the way, clear it all out, so we can go ahead and get started. All right, queens and kings, so here is my beautiful queen lounge, and I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. Like, it just gives me my little royal oasis vibes that I have going on here. Like, I love it. The curtains. Oh my goodness, I love it. I love it. So we're gonna start here in the seating area. If you hear the clock in the background, just forgive me because it's kind of loud. So I have my little bench here, which is a DIY revamp that I did. If you guys are new to my channel, if a lot of you guys does not know that I do have a DIY channel, which is my main channel. So a lot of the items in here are revamps and DIYs that I have done myself, and I will tell you about each and every item in my little lounge. I love it, I love it. So moving on right here to the bench, like I said, it is a revamp DIY. itself. The blanket, the throw here that I have here came from Marshall's. This is actually a DIY tic-tac-toe sign. Don't worry about Andre did break the other piece off there, but I can make another one. And it is beautiful. So I just wanted something, another little conversation area. Even though the area is not so big, but it gives me just that royal vibes that I was going for. So I'm loving it. And then on the other end here, I have a book, a Chanel book that I got from, I think Amazon. I did purchase from Amazon. These are some DIY Z Gallery flutes that I made myself. Tissue box that's from Dollar Tree. Then I have this cute little globe shaker here, the Chanel vibes here. This is from Z Gallery and I love it. So this is area, just a little welcome area, just like I said, just a little more extra seating just in case you like have a conversation piece going on. And basically that's what I really wanted over here. So I'm loving that area there. As you guys can see, I changed and I took out one of the rugs. You know, I had both rugs in, but I was like, no, I want to put that other rug somewhere else, most likely up on the dining room table area, but I'm not done with that, so that's going to be a separate video. But anyways, this rug came from Burlington. I've had it for years now, I think at least 3 or 4 years, so it may look a little wear and tear though, but it still just give me that ambiance, that little softness that I like. Even though I have this little, what is this, faux hardwood or whatever in the apartment. So I love that. And my sofa is it's a 2-piece, and it did not come with the bling down here. Now I did place the bling on there, came from a local furniture store, and I just placed a little furry DIY fur pillow that I had for a while in one of the other throw pillows that came on the sofa. Now let's talk about the curtains. A lot of you queens was telling me to put the sheer in it. The reason I didn't want to put the sheer is because I knew I was going to go with the white furry rug. I didn't, even though the area is already fully white, so I didn't want to put too much of that. I knew some more lighting had to be in it, but I did tuck the other two down because you know I got a set free, so thank God for that. But I tucked those down. I'm just gonna place those probably in the bathroom most likely. Now on each side of the curtains or whatever, I do have like some crystals hanging down from them, and as you guys can see, it is a wet morning here in Orlando, Florida. But I just placed some little crystals on the side of just bring a little more glam, because I like how it illuminates in the morning time, the lights that reflects off it. Sorry I wasn't able to catch it, but yeah, I actually think about putting some more crystals here so it could give a better vibe to it, you know, just a little more glam or bling or whatever. Maybe I will, probably when I do the whole full apartment tour. So anyways, the curtains are from Amazon, and they are some velvet mustard yellow curtains, and I love them, which you probably can't tell too much of because I have the window open, so I do apologize for that. Now my curtain rod is a DIY. That is just a shower curtain and some outdoor lightings, walkway lightings that I made little hooks there with. So yeah. Now my lighting here is actually revamp or DIY, you will want to call it. It is a pendant light. I got that from Ross, and I have this ceiling fan that actually have a light to it, so I just took that cover off and put this cover on it. So that's giving me the vibes of that. Now on each side of the sofa here, I think I was going to say that, but I totally forgot. On each side is, I do have some mirror side tables that came from Amazon. Now down below here is some DIY decorative boxes that I did on my main channel, and if you guys don't know, check out my main channel. I'll definitely leave it in the iCards, so therefore you guys can check it out and see all the DIYs, how I created everything that I do mention as a DIY, because 9/10 I did a video on it. But anywho, like I was saying, the mirror side tables here came from Amazon, and they was no more than $100 when I purchased them, and I think now they probably about $120 now, so I saved a little bit on that. Little family picture, portrait, whatever, just to bring some of the gold over here, because as you guys can see, my colors are gray, white, gold, and yellow pretty much. These are picture frames probably from Ross or something, Walmart or something. I just spray painted them gold. But these look gorgeous. Tapered candle holders here came from Pier 1. I'm going to try to catch Pier 1 before they sales in or before they go out of business. Now this is just an old vase that I revamp and spray painted white, which I am actually missing the bling on. I didn't put that one on because I had it in a different area, so I would do that later. But I just have a lot of flowers, and I just wanted this little romantic feminine looks over here, and I just got a different varieties of flowers. These here are the big ones that bling. These came from Z Gallery. I have 3 in this thing here, this vase. These yellow ones came from Walmart, as well as the white ones. And I just have some picks that I think I got from Hobby Lobby or somewhere. Okay, so I do apologize for that. I should have closed the window trying to do this, but I'm trying to do it before Andre actually wake up. But yeah, that's basically what the side tables look like. And I have one on the same side, on opposite side, I mean to say. But I just don't have just a taller candle and no picture in there and nothing down there. So that's how that look. Now I'm gonna show you guys this bar area now. It's definitely been some changes over here. A whole bunch of changes over here, which I am still loving it. Still love it. I still love it. Now let me just talk about the bar. We're going to talk about the bar. Like I said in my bar cart video, this is a DIY, which is just like a utility cart that came from Walmart. I spray painted and placed the mirrors, slacks or tiles or whatever you want to call them on here that came from Michael's, and a whole bunch of DIYs, a whole bunch of them. Well, I'll just go over it again because I know I have a lot of new people and you probably have not seen the bar cart video. But down below, this is the bones crack. Oh, Lord, they did. Down below here, I have some DIY bookends. Those are original only by Valerie. Z Gallery do not have those. Home Goods does not have them. Nowhere have them. But anyway, the reason how I made those because I got some Z Gallery bling bookends, and they came broken and shattered. So basically, I gave my money back, and I just used some salt and pepper shakers that I wasn't using, and created some bookends. The books came all from Amazon. This African book, I'm not sure where I got that book from, but I like it. I just like it just for the ambiance and everything about it. The glasses are Z Gallery dupes I made myself. This is a Z Gallery dupe candle holder here. I should have had it flicking so it give y'all the little ambiance and everything. A Ross DIY Minds. Ross or Home Goods. This is Home Goods. This is a revamp, which the original vase was teal. It came from Z Gallery and I painted gold. This bar sign here is a DIY. Just got some Chanel ribbon on it to create it, which those are ornaments that I got from the at-home store. Now the top shelf here, this cheer sign came from Target. These are DIYs. These are some lovely cuts my husband got me from Walmart. These are some coasters that I made, and I was selling those. I no longer make them or sell them, but I can, and I'll let you guys know when I do decide to get back into that. But right now my mind is too much in clarity right now. Life is busy. These are some DIY stir sticks that I made. This sign here is a DIY of mine, which is a roses, Chanel, and champagne. Okay, yes. Now this is definitely a DIY. I had so many people ask about this little hourglass, which one of my top DIYs that I have created here on YouTube, and I love it. I love it. It does work. It really does work. How long the hour is on, I don't know. Don't ask that part. I didn't actually test that part out. You do what you do. But yeah. Here are some towels that I have over here. These are bar towels. This one is just a hand towel that came from Target. Just bring a little more of the yellow. And these towels here came from Walmart. And I have an unfinished bar cart. So y'all see the real deal Holyfield. Now, the mirrors and the sconces here are, the sconces are DIYs of mine that I did myself a while back. And I think those are one of my favorite, The mirrors here are from Old Time Pottery. I had those for some years. So this is pretty much my queen lounge here, and I love it. I love it. I really do love it. So what do you queens and kings think about this? Because I turned a dining room into a sitting area or a den or whatever you want to call it. Well, that's what my intake was of a dining room. But the floor plan is actually a sunroom. This is not considered as the dining room. But you know, that's the first thing you would think because over here off by itself or whatever, but it's really not. The floor plan for this apartment, it is considered to be the sunroom. But and over here is the laundry area. So I like it. So that means if I decide to do some laundry, I want to sit on down and fold them that day or whatever, I can have some seating and whatever and pile all the clothes over here and just fold them up like easy. Because I don't like doing laundry neither. I done became real lazy as being a wife because I'm spoiled. But anyways, I hope you queens and kings enjoyed this video. Love my transformation, my makeover, my queen lounge. If you all did, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will talk to you queens and kings in the next video. You guys already know, continue to be what? Royal. Bye bye.